Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Collision coverage pays to repair your own car's damage when you hit another vehicle or an object such as a lamppost or fence. It may also pay if another driver hits your car and doesn't have enough insurance to pay for the damage.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The standard rule of thumb used to be that car owners should drop collision and comprehensive insurance when the car was 5 or 6 years old, or when the mileage reached the 100,000 mark. Plenty of websites weigh in on this.
Take our lead.
Much like your car, collision coverage becomes less valuable over time, because it will never pay out more than the vehicle's value. If you don't have a loan or lease requiring it, collision insurance eventually loses its worth, costing more to have than it would pay you after a crash.
Let's help you make your mark.
Your collision coverage will have a limit, which is the maximum amount your policy will pay toward a covered claim. Usually the limit is the price of your vehicle, so as long as hitting a pole does not cost you more than the price of your vehicle, then your insurance will cover the amount.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.